James Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Debut Smart for Cricket Wireless. So this is a new budget smartphone for Cricket. This is an exclusive phone to Cricket. So yeah, so it's available now in green frost color. So pretty interesting color option there. It's available now for $79.99. So like I said, this is a budget smartphone. So yeah, this is like Cricket's third or fourth debut branded smartphone here, so that's pretty interesting there. So it's $79.99 if you're a new customer, and it's $79.99 if you're a current customer. So it doesn't matter if you're new or a current customer. The Cricket Debut Smart is $79.99. So there's the phone right there. You guys have your earpiece there, front facing camera there, your screen obviously. You do got bezels on top and bottom of the phone there. This is the left side of the phone. I don't see nothing on the left side here. Camera just stick out there just a bit there in the back. If you guys could see that there. On the back of the Cricket Debut Smart is your single rear camera flash, Cricket logo, and your speaker on the back. It's like a frost green color, but it looks like a gray color on screen here. It might look like green in person, but in pictures and stuff it looks like a gray color in my personal opinion. Yeah, so if you guys would like to get like a backup phone and whatnot, I mean, y'all can check this phone out. I mean, you know, it's not the greatest phone out there. You do have the option to pay monthly for it as well, at $27 a month at 0% APR with the firm. So if you guys want to pay monthly for it, go ahead. I don't know why y'all guys would pay monthly for it, because it's $80 full retail price. Alright. So y'all guys have a 5.5-inch display, which is small as fuck, especially in 2022. 5 megapixel rear camera, 32 gigabytes of storage. It says smart and classy. The Cricket Debut Smart is a compact but feature-filled smartphone running the latest full Android 12 experience, all at an amazing price. With a quad-core processor and 2 gigabytes of RAM, the Debut Smart is reliable and convenient. Its 5.5-inch HD Plus display is reinforced with scratch-resistant 2.5D curved glass, offering a comfortable grip and vivid viewing experience. The Cricket Debut Smart is a smart choice. Alright. Features: amazing photos captured your way and saved with a click of a button. Capture key moments with the feature-packed 5 megapixel rear camera and selfie cameras that support HDR, night mode, portrait mode, and much more. Save those memorable moments with up to 32 gigabytes of internal storage and much more with their micro SD support. And you will need that micro SD card. Keeping up with the people that matters most is easy as 1, 2, 3. Stay connected longer with Debut Smart's 2500 mAh battery and battery saver mode for when you're running low. Additional security and convenience all at your fingertips. With personalized security and convenience, the Cricket Debut Smart includes Face Unlock and Google Assistant support. The Face Unlock feature adds an additional layer of security and allows you the flexibility to unlock your phone by simply looking at it. Google Assistant is the concierge for your phone, giving you voice control and more. Specs. Like I said, the specs on this. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so the specs will reflect that. So you guys do have Android 12, which is nice. Dimensions on the Cricket Debut Smart: 5.87 inches height, 2.83 inches width and 0.38 inches depth. Screen size 5.5 inches HD plus. Which the screen size is small as fuck. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. You do have scratch resistant glass. I don't know what kind of scratch resistant glass it is. I have no idea. Your connectivity options include Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABG and AC, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C for charging. You get a 5 megapixel front and rear cameras, camera flash on the rear, 2 GHz quad-core processor, 2500 mAh battery, and there's your hearing aid compatibilities there. Accessories. They do got a few accessories here for the phone. Hey, they got some cases and stuff like that, screen protectors and whatnot for the phone. So, yeah. So, there you guys have it, the Cricket debut. If you guys are looking to get a budget phone, a backup phone, or whatever, the Cricket debut Smart could be worth taking a look at here. The specs on here are what you pay for here. Some of the specs are laughable in 2022. The screen size is small as fuck. The battery is small. It only has one rear camera in the back. It has a HD plus screen, which is better than nothing. It does have a 18:9 aspect ratio, which is very nice. Like the biggest cons about the Cricket debut Smart, I know that this is a budget phone, so keep that in mind. But there are some cons, like the screen size, the single rear camera, and the screen resolution. But I mean, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone and don't really care about all that, I mean, go ahead and try it out for yourselves. I mean, this is good if you guys want a compact smartphone. I mean, if you guys want a compact smartphone, this is the phone for you, because it has a 5.5 inch display, which is rare in 2022. So, yeah. So, there you guys have it, the Cricket debut Smart, now available at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.